Hey everybody, it's Zap Martin with the Martin Group. Welcome back to 2024, week 2, 2024. It is Monday morning and we're here with your TMG Market Monday update where I answer the question, hey Zap, how is the real estate market? So we're gonna take a look at 2 zip codes. One is 91902. We just had an open house, a couple open houses this weekend for a listing we have in Bonita, California. And the second one is in 57103, which is in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Just bought a property there as well, so I'm very invested in both of these zip codes. Let's start out in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So for the zip code of 57103, the market action index for condos is 37, which is a slightly seller's market. It's pretty neutral. Remember, 30 is exactly neutral, so it's just outside of the neutral market for buyers and sellers in Sioux Falls for condos. For houses in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, the market action index is 38. So very similar for houses and condos as far as the market action index being slightly to the advantage of sellers. Now, as we come back here to San Diego, specifically Bonita, California, the market action index for condos in Bonita is 51. Now note, it's a huge jump from last month. That's because there's not a lot of inventory in Bonita for condos. And so there's probably a couple condos that sold to the seller's advantage and therefore it jumped up. So keep that in mind as we're moving into the spring and summer. You're probably gonna see slightly more seller's advantage for markets where there's not a lot of inventory and for condos specifically in areas like Bonita, California. As we look at houses in Bonita, California, the market action index is 42, which again is a seller's advantage, but not a huge advantage. So it's still relatively neutral compared to what it's been, in the past. As always, if you have any questions about the market, whether it's here in San Diego, it's in a different state, anywhere in America, we research and study zip codes all over the country and do a deep dive into them. So if you're thinking about buying or selling or investing nationwide, please reach out to me and let me know, and I would love to help you out. Until then, we'll see you next Monday.